What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time watching, my name is Patrick. I'm a full-time window tinter, instructor, consultant, and more. And on this video, we're going to go ahead and look into the new SolarWiz, SolarGuard, TintWiz integration that they have. So SolarGuard and TintWiz work together and group together to create a SolarGuard version of TintWiz. It's basically the same thing as TintWiz, but it has SolarGuard in the top right corner now, or top left corner now. But they're working with SolarGuard, so you can have all the documentations, all the test study results, digital uploads and things like that already loaded within this. And they're also doing a couple other integrations like doing one-click warranty estimate, or not warranty integrations, because usually with SolarGuard you have to, like, afterwards you have to type in all this information and then send it after the fact. But you'll be able to do that with just one click with all the information you've already installed within TintWiz. So but this is first and foremost one of the new things. As I'm working with it, I've noticed a couple of things that could be improved upon. So I decided to let's just go ahead and throw a video and show you guys what I'm talking about. So if I come over here and let's just switch this. So this is my my TintWiz dashboard right here. As you can see, it does change a little bit. It says SolarGuard in the top left instead of TintWiz. Ignore all this. This is just like my actual work stuff here. But if we come down here up to uploads, you're going to notice that you're going to have a lot more digital spec stuff here. So we're just going to go ahead and try to organize this a little bit better, because there's no tags on them. They're just here, which is fine. The problem is, like, I've been using TintWiz for years. So if I keep going, eventually I get past of all the uploads that they have, and I have my old uploads here. So we're going to try to just organize this a little bit better. We're going to come over here. I've done this a little bit already, so we're going to go to page 2. So we have the Solstice lineup, we have the Endeavor lineup, we have the Vortex lineup, we have the Zenith lineup, and then they also have paint protection film here as well. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to organize this just a little bit better. That way, when you go to uploads, you can go and then type in a tag. Let's just say I go Vortex IR. And it should load it up. I don't think I've done it right, actually. So we're still working on it. So let's go here. Let's go to this one here. So in the bottom right corner, there's going to be a little cog. Go ahead and click it. This is the Endeavor one. And then from here, there is no tags already set up. So click that. And then I've already put Endeavor in here. If it's not an option for your tags, then just type in Endeavor and then add the new tag, and then come here. And now it's under Endeavor. And then now you can save. And then that way, find by tag, you should be able to. I've done this a couple of times, so let's see here if this will allow me to do it. I wonder if it's case sensitive. It's not case sensitive. Let me see. Let me try another one, because I know I have tags for before. Okay, see, so it might just take a moment for it to go. So if I type in before, it's going to show me all the before pics I have, and it's going to filter down the pictures. If I type in after in TintWiz, it'll bring up all the after pics. I'm just uploading it now, so it might take a second for it to kind of catch up. But then this way, when you're tagging your pictures, and this is a great thing to do within TintWiz, because if you don't tag them, what ends up happening is I have 84 pages of pictures. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to have to, like, dig deep and look through every page and try to find a specific one. So it's good. I was doing before and after pictures, but if you're uploading pictures and you're uploading the pictures to TintWiz, it's great to tag the pictures as well as you upload them. That way, when you load hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pictures, that you can have some sort of an organizational system. That way you can search it. So you can do, like, we're doing Vortex, we're doing Zenith, we're doing Solstice, we're doing Endeavor, and I'm getting my guys more primed so that, like, let's say we do a Silver 20 install, they're gonna upload pictures and then tag it Silver 20, Solstice 20, or not Solstice 20, Slate 20, upload a picture, tag it as Slate 20. That way I can look up, pictures related to that tag. So let me go back here. Oh, I'm still in the after. So clear that out and it'll bring me everything up here. So let's see. So we have Endeavor here. So as you look here, once you guys get the tag in here, you'll see the cog. As you go over the pictures, it'll darken and you can open gallery. But it has the cog here, but it'll say Endeavor here, or that's the tag that you put it under. Like if I do this one here and I haven't tagged this one, there's no marking. So like this just kind of goes into the ether. You can open up the picture and you can kind of see the picture here. That's what open gallery does. But let's do this again. This one is the solstice one. This is for the sides and the back. I just went ahead and put it under here, put it under solstice, and then save. The only thing here is I noticed, like, so this is zenith. We go to the cog, and let's just say I go to zenith here. This drop down menu, once you add more, like there's like, if I start clicking, it's going to add more, right? And we don't want that. You can do that if you'd like, but like if I click out of here, it does nothing. It kind of just cancels it out. So what I learned here is that, what was this again? This was zenith. We're going to go to the cog, go down to zenith, click. Now it's here, right? Now come back into this little box up here to get rid of the drop down menu, so you can go to save file, and then now you'll categorize them. So let's see if we can do the solstice. So I hasn't done it yet. I think it takes a moment to upgrade or update because I did just do them. But yeah, go ahead and use this feature because once you have so many pictures on there, you're going to want to try to organize them some way, form, or fashion. And this is kind of like the first wave. There's paint protection film here, and there's all the film types that they have, sides and back, just front windshield, strips, all things of that nature. But they're going to add more, and as they add more and add more uploads to this, you want to go ahead and categorize and tag the pictures so they're easier to find and look up, so that you're not looking through hundreds of pictures. I know that I spoke with Mike and that they were going to also be not only uploading stuff like this, but more also digital specs, which I think these are digital specs, but like test results for blast tests, for security film, like all the paperwork that you like have to go back and go online and go to the digital thing for the login for excuse me, let's switch this out. So all the things like you have to go on to like the login for SolarGuard to find all those and download all those, I believe all those are going to be uploaded to TintWiz automatically, and that's what they're working on doing. But yeah, I thought I saw that as I was working with it. It was a problem for me, and I figured out a solution to the problem, just to be able to be a little bit more organized. So I figured I'd share it with you guys. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, concerns, shout outs, criticisms, hit them down in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.